Assalamualaikum student. I'm your teacher Nayab. I hope you all are fine. We having class of physics and today topic is nuclear fusion. As you know, we already study about the nuclear fission and today in the today lecture it is about the fission. What is fission? So now we study about the nuclear fission. What is nuclear fission? So when two light nuclei combine to form a heavy nucleus. And in the nuclear fission we study that one heavy nucleus will be split into a two small nuclei. But in the nuclear fission we study that two small light nuclei are combined with each other and make a heavy nuclei. During this process, what will be happen when the small nuclei combine with each other and they make a heavy nuclei? So the mass of the light nuclei will be different from the heavy nuclei. The mass of the light nuclei will be greater as compared to the heavy one nuclei. Why it is happening? It is because during this process they lose some type of energy. Therefore, the mass of the heavy nuclei is less as compared to the mass of the small two nuclei. So, if we study about the nuclear fusion, so there is a cycle that is called proton-proton cycle. What is happening in the proton-proton cycle? How they form nuclear fusion? So, in the proton-proton cycle, direct collision of the proton result in the formation of the heavy nuclei, whose collision in turn produce a helium nuclei. So what will be happen? The proton-proton molecule atoms will be combined with each other and they collide with each other, and what will they make? They make a helium nuclei. So if we start the reaction, the process of the reaction, so first the initial reaction in making of helium nuclei is when the two proton, that is the hydrogen and hydrogen, will be added with each other, so they will make hydrogen 2. 2 is the mass of that hydrogen and 1 is the atomic number of that hydrogen. And they also release, when the two small, we say that when the two small nuclei combine with each other, they form heavy nucleus and they also release some type of energy in the form of beta rays. Now the next step, the next reaction in the nuclear fusion is that heavy atom nuclei which is made up by the proton-proton reaction. So that will again combine with another proton and they will make helium nuclei and also release some type of energy that we call, that is the gamma rays that released during this process. Now the third reaction is, now this one helium will combine with another one helium, and what will they give? One helium combined with another helium and they will give us helium 4, and also they give us two number of proton, that is hydrogen 1 and another hydrogen 1, and also release some type of energy during this process that we call gamma rays. Now this is all about the nuclear fission, how the small nuclei are combined with each other and make a heavy nuclei. Now I represent this reaction by the diagrammatical for your convenience. So in first reaction we said that two proton will be combined with each other and make what? Hydrogen 2. So there two number of proton will be combined with each other and make hydrogen 2. Then what will they make? They also release some type of energy, that is the beta rays. And now then we say that again this type of hydrogen will be combined with another proton. So this hydrogen combined with another proton. So what will be happen? When they combine, they form helium. They form helium nuclei and also release some type of energy, that is the gamma rays. Now this new helium will combine with another helium, and what will make? They combine with another helium and give us what? Two number of protons. Now look over here, one helium combined with another helium, they give us helium 4. So you look over here, when they combine with each other, they give us helium 4 and plus they give us 2 number of proton. So here I show you, I represent you that 2 number of protons, and also they release some type of energy which are showing here that the gamma rays are released during this process. So student, it is today lecture is about the nuclear fission. I hope you will understand by this topic. Allah Hafiz.